This video is sponsored by Genstore. Starting a business or selling something online often sounds straightforward at first. You come up with an idea, put it online, and see what happens. In reality, it usually becomes much more complicated than that. You're responsible for the product, the website, marketing, customer questions, analytics, fulfillment, and ongoing updates. Most of the time, all this falls on one person, often while using several different tools that don't always work well together. That workload is one of the biggest reasons people delay launching or give up entirely. Not because the idea is bad, but because managing everything alone takes more time and energy than expected. Genstore is designed to address that problem. At a high level, Genstore is positioned as a full-stack AI-powered platform that helps turn an idea into a functioning online store and then supports the ongoing work of running that store. Instead of acting as a single tool, it operates more like a team. The platform is built around the idea that the real challenge is not creativity or ambition, but the operational load that comes with selling online. Genstore uses multiple AI agents, each focused on a different part of the business. There are agents that help with product selection, store setup, marketing, analytics, and customer support. The intention is not to remove the human from the process, but to reduce the number of repetitive and manual tasks required to get started and stay operational. The user still makes decisions while the system handles much of the execution in the background. Online selling tools are getting smarter, and AI can now take care of a lot of the setup and day-to-day work that used to be manual. You're still in control, but there's a lot less to manage on your own. So let's take a look at how it all works. I wanted to generate a storefront for selling men's apparel geared toward athletics and outdoor recreation. I gave a pretty detailed starting reference to the AI agents, but you could be a little broader if you're still thinking through your ideas. Once that was analyzed, I was given a written description of what the generated site would look like, with options to make a few changes. This is an area where you can add your own touch to make the site feel human and reflective of your vision. From there, you can see on the right side of the screen how the page generation works. Every aspect of the store design, from logos to wording to images, is displayed as tasks are completed. The AI handled the page generation quickly as everything came together. Even before customizing further by adding products, I had a homepage complete with links to any products I was about to add, a contact page, a search bar, and more. The images and graphics were clean and well designed, and the AI kept everything consistent in terms of brand tone, colors, fonts, and language. You could view the site pages to the right or click preview within the AI chat to open your store in a new browser tab and see it live. You can also make custom adjustments to the page layout if you choose. Once that's complete, you finalize details like shipping, payment, and bank account information to begin transactions. Next, I added products for sale, and just like the rest of the process, it was very straightforward. I searched for men's athletic apparel and had a good variety of options to choose from. To send items straight to your store, you click Push Product and confirm the selection, which adds the full product to your storefront. Immediately after, my homepage and products page were updated with the new products live and available for customers to browse. If you prefer, you can also use an AI agent to find products. You can even search based on best sellers for a specific time of year. I requested best-selling outdoor apparel for Q1, and the results focused mainly on winter clothing, which makes sense for my location. After selecting the products, I clicked Select to Push, and they were instantly published to my store. From page conception to having a store ready to accept orders, the entire process was surprisingly fast. It's easy to see that speed is a focus. Genstore is built so users can move from an idea to a live store without a long setup period or technical background. Design, layout, and basic store structure is handled automatically, lowering the barrier for new sellers. The platform also includes access to a large product catalog, which helps users who don't yet have suppliers, inventory, or a defined product strategy. Genstore is aimed at beginners, creators launching products or merchandise, side hustlers, and small or local businesses that want an online presence without adding unnecessary complexity. If you're interested in seeing what it looks like to run an online store with an AI agent team supporting day-to-day operations, you can learn more at Genstore.ai. And even better, they're currently offering a great sale at sign up. For the light, growth, and scale plans, you'll pay just $1 for the first month of use. You can also join their Discord community for additional credits and updates.